हेलो एवरीवन, मैं उपेंद्र कुमार, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर केमिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट डीबीएस कॉलेज कानपुर। आज की क्लास में हम बीएससी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर केमिस्ट्री में हाइब्रिडाइजेशन टॉपिक को डिस्कस करेंगे। हाइब्रिडाइजेशन was proposed by the L. Pauling in 1931 to explain the tetrahedral geometry of methane type compounds। एल पॉली एक अमेरिकन साइंटिस्ट है जिन्होंने 1931 में मीथेन जैसे कंपाउंड के शेप ज्योमेट्री को समझने के लिए हाइब्रिडेशन कॉन्सेप्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस किया। हाइब्रिडेशन concept of hybridization is defined as the process of combining two atomic orbitals to create a new type of hybridized orbital. This intermixing typically results in the formation of hybrid orbital with completely different energy and shape. इस कॉन्सेप्ट से हमें यह समझ में आ रहा है कि किसी भी एटम के दो या दो से अधिक एटम ऑफ सेम एनर्जी और नियरली सेम एनर्जी के ऑर्बिटल्स मिलकर एक हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल बनाते हैं, जो कि एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल के कंपैरिजन में मोर स्टेबल बॉन्ड बनाते हैं। बने हुए हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट इन एनर्जी एंड सेम फ्रॉम इट्स मदर एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स। लाइनस पॉलिंग साइंटिस्ट जिन्होंने हाइब्रिड के डाइजेशन के कॉन्सेप्ट की खोज की, उन्होंने सबसे पहले मीथेन जैसे कंपाउंड को मॉलिक्यूल की स्टडी की। इन्होंने सबसे पहले CH4 मीथेन को VBT के एक्साइटेशन कॉन्सेप्ट की सहायता से मीथेन के मॉलिक्यूल की संरचना को समझने की कोशिश की। अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्साइटेशन थ्योरी, कार्बन एटम इज सेंट्रल एटम एंड इट्स atomic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. In ground state, there in valence orbitals of carbon atom 2s is both electrons are paired in the 2p orbitals. Px singly filled and py is singly filled and pz are empty. In this case, after excitation of carbon atoms, the s1 electron from the 2s orbitals is excited to 2pz orbital. Now there is 4 orbitals are singly filled so that they can participate in the bond formation by the sharing of one hydrogen of each hydrogen atom containing 1s 1 electron. So according to valence bond theory, the methane molecules should be the square planar shape, in which the 3 bonds are the same because 3 p-type orbitals combined with the s hydrogen atom orbitals, and one is different, in which the 2s of carbon atom and 1s of the hydrogen atom formed sigma bond. According to excitation theory, molecular structure of methane should be square planar and the bond angle will be 90. Experimentally found that all the 4 bonds have the equal bond strength, bond energy, and the angle between the bonds is 109.5 degree. The concept of hybridization is an extension of valence bond theory that helps us to understand the formation of bond energies and bond length. When 2 atomic orbitals combine to form a hybrid orbital in a molecule, the energy of hybrid orbital individual atom is redistributed to give orbital of equivalent energy. This is known as hybridization. Basically, in the hybridization, any atoms orbitals are participate and form a new type of orbital whose energy is different and shape is also different. Features of hybridization. Hybridization occur between atomic orbital with equal energies. The number of hybrid orbital form equal to the number of atomic orbital that mix. इस कॉन्सेप्ट से हमें ये समझ में आ रहा है कि जितने किसी भी एटम्स के जितने भी ऑर्बिटल किसी भी हाइब्रिडेशन में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, उतने ही इक्वल एनर्जी के एटॉमिक हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल हमें आउटपुट में मिलते हैं। हाइब्रिडेशन अकर्स ओनली ड्यूरिंग द बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन, नॉट इन ए सिंगल गैसेस एटम। हाइब्रिडेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट हम तभी समझ सकते हैं जब कोई भी एटम इन किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल्स में बॉन्डिंग में पार्टिसिपेट करता है। इन द गैसेस फ्री स्टेट में उसके जो उस एटम के जो ऑर्बिटल होते हैं वो हाइब्रिडेशन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते हैं। इफ़ द हाइब्रिडेशन ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल इज नोन देन मॉलिक्यूल शेप कैन बी प्रिडिक्टेड। अगर आपको किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल का हाइब्रिडेशन पता है तो आप उसके शेप, ज्योमेट्री को और उसके बाउंड एंगल को आप बता सकते हैं। द लार्जर लोब ऑफ हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव व्हाइल स्मॉलर लोब ऑफ द अपोजिट साइड इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव। After combining the two atomic orbital, they generate a hybrid orbital in which the larger lobe will be positive charge and smaller lobe will be negative charge. Bond formation occur when hybrid orbital overlap with the suitable orbitals of other atoms. Types of hybridization. The type of hybridization depend on the number and kind of atomic orbital involved in the hybridization. When only s and p orbital are involved, then sp, sp2 and sp3 are hybridized orbital are formed. On the other hand, when the s, p and the d orbital are involved, then dsp2, sp3, d, sp3, d2 and sp3, d3 hybrid orbital are formed. Postulate of hybridization. हाइब्रिडेशन एक हाइपोथेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये रियली में पाया नहीं जाता है। इसको हम किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल की संरचना को समझने के लिए, उसके शेप स्ट्रक्चर को समझने के लिए हाइपोथेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट हाइब्रिडेशन को इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं। टोटल नंबर ऑफ हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल फॉर्म्स आर इक्वल टू द टोटल नंबर ऑफ atomic orbital taking part in hybridization. Bond formation by the hybrid orbital are stronger than atomic orbital. Those atomic orbital are mixed whose principal quantum number is same. If difference in the principal quantum number is 1, then the d orbital are used in hybridization. Representation of hybridized orbital as shown in figure, the larger lobe is positive charge and the smaller lobe will be negative charge. All three types of orbital having pair of electron and having unpair of electron or completely empty can be take part in hybridization. इससे हमें ये समझ में आ रहा है कि तीन प्रकार के जो ऑर्बिटल हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि किसी भी ऑर्बिटल के पास पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन हो या किसी भी ऑर्बिटल के पास अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन हो और वो इम्प्टी हो, ये तीनों टाइप्स ही हाइब्रिडेशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। द ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ ऑर्बिटल जनरेटेड विल बी डिपेंड ऑन द नंबर एंड द टाइप ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल। सबसे पहले हम sp हाइब्रिडेशन को समझेंगे। व्हेन द one s orbital and one p orbital combine together to form two hybrid orbital of the same shape and energy, then it's called the sp hybridization. There is an angle of 180 between the two hybrid orbital. Each sp hybrid orbital has 50% s character and 50% p character. इससे मैं समझ में आता है कि जब एक s ऑर्बिटल और एक p ऑर्बिटल कंबाइन होते हैं तो दो sp हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल हमें मिलेंगे। वो दोनों sp हाइब्रिडल जब इंटरमिक्स होते हैं तो एनवायरनमेंट में या स्पेस में ऐसे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं कि उनके बीच में जो मिनिमम रिपल्सन हो, तो हमारा जो बाउंड एंगल बनाते हैं दोनों 180 डिग्री का होता है, जिसमें sp हाइब्रिड जो ऑर्बिटल होते हैं उन पे मिनिमम रिपल्सन होता है। These two hybrid orbital lie in one plane oriented in opposite direction. कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इथिलीन, बेरियम हाइड्राइड तथा हेलोजन ऑफ मरकरी, बेरिलियम फ्लोराइड, CO2 एंड बेरिलियम क्लोराइड हैव sp हाइब्रिडेशन ऑफ द सेंट्रल एटम। हम लोग sp हाइब्रिडेशन को समझने के लिए बेरिलियम क्लोराइड का हेल्प लेंगे। The electronic configuration of beryllium in ground state is 1s2 2s2. Since there is no unpaired electron, it undergoes excitation by the promoting one of its 2s electron into the empty 2p orbital. If the beryllium atom form bonds using these pure orbitals, the molecule might be angular. However, the observed shape BeCl2 is linear. To account this, sp hybridization was proposed as explained below. In the excitation state, beryllium atom undergoes sp hybridization by mixing 2s and one p orbital. Thus, two half-filled sp hybrid orbitals are formed, which are arranged linearly as shown in figure. The one electron from the 2s orbital is excited and goes to the 2px orbital. There is two sp hybridized orbital formed. Both are hybridized orbitals name sp orbital. These half-filled sp orbitals form two sigma bond with the two chlorine atom. Thus, barium chloride is linear in shape with the bond angle is 180 degree. In the orbital diagram, we see that in the ground state beryllium 2s is paired electron and 2p orbitals are completely empty. On the excitation of beryllium atoms, one electron from 2s orbital excite and goes to 2px orbital. These two unpaired singly filled electrons are hybridized and form a 2sp orbitals. The two sp hybrid orbitals, as shown in figure, one lobe is larger, which is containing positive charge, and other lobe is smaller, containing negative charge. And other compound of this molecule is chlorine, which electronic configuration of valence orbital is 3s2 and 3p5, in which s orbital and px and py are completely paired and pz is singly filled electron. So this pz orbitals of chlorine atoms are combined with the sp hybridized orbital of beryllium, so that this form the beryllium chloride compound. In orbital diagram is shown that after mixing these two hybrid orbitals are oriented to 180 angle, so that there is minimum repulsion in the hybridized orbitals, and we see that the chlorine atoms pz orbitals are overlapped with the positive hybridized beryllium chloride orbital, so that form the sp and p sigma bond between beryllium and chlorine. Next hybridization is sp2 hybridization. When one s orbital and two p orbital are combined to intermix to form three identical sp2 hybridized orbital, it is called sp2 hybridization. These sp2 hybridized orbitals have the same energy and shape. All the hybrid orbitals lie in one plane. The bond angle between any two hybrid orbitals is 120 degree. All the bonds are directed toward the corner of tetrahedral. sp2 hybridized molecules have a trigonal planar geometry. We found that the character of S and P in the sp2 hybridization, S character is 33% and P character is 66%. sp2 हाइब्रिडेशन को समझने के लिए हम लोग बेरिलियम फ्लोराइड मॉलिक्यूल्स को डिस्कस करेंगे. इन बोरान ट्राइफ्लोराइड, बोरान इज द central atom bounded to the 3 fluorine atom. In the ground state, boron has one unpaired electron. It's promoted to its 2s electron to empty p orbital. The electronic configurations of boron is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Now on excitation, the valence orbital 2s electron is excited and goes to 2py orbitals. Electronic representation of boron and fluorine in ground state, 2s is completely filled and 2px singly filled. In excitation, 2s electron is excited to 2py orbitals and 3 singly filled orbitals formed. These 3 singly filled orbitals are combined and form the hybrid orbital whose name is sp2. These are 3. On other hand, the other atom of this compound is fluorine, whose electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, in which the s orbitals 2 S2 is completely filled, 2px is also completely filled, 2py is filled, and 2pz is singly filled. So these 2pz orbitals are participate in the bond formation with the hybridized orbitals of boron sp2. In the orbital diagram, here we see that the s orbital of boron and 2p orbital of boron mix and produce the 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals. These sp2 hybridized orbitals are mixed and oriented in space such way that there is minimum repulsion between the lobes, so that they adjust in 120 degree. In this structure we see that the pz orbitals of the fullerene is interacts with the positive lobes of sp2 hybrid orbitals, so that there is sigma bond formation between boron and fullerene due to sp2 and p sigma bond from the fullerene. Next type of hybridization is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization involves the mixing of one s orbital and 3p orbital on the same atom to form the 4 identical sp3 hybrid orbital. All the sp3 orbital are directed to the corner of the tetrahedral shape. sp3 hybridized molecule exhibits tetrahedral geometry and bond angle between any two bond is 109.5 degree. It is noted with that sp3 hybridized orbitals, the s characters is decreases and p character increases as per previous hybridized orbitals. Here is s character is 25% and p character increases to 75%. sp3 hybridization we can explain with the help of methane molecule. CH4 molecule, the carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Carbon atom is central atom, has 2 unpaired electrons in the p orbital in the ground state, as shown its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. During excitation, one of the 2s electron is promoted to the p orbital. Now its 4 half-filled orbitals available for bonding by mixing 1 2s orbital and 3 2p orbital to form the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. In the orbital diagram, we have seen how the electrons are excited to go to pz orbital from the 2s orbital. These 4 unpaired singly filled orbitals are mixed and produce an equivalent energies containing hybrid orbitals known as sp3 hybrid orbital. These are numbered in 4. Then other atoms of this methane molecule is hydrogen, in which the 1s1 electrons orbitals which participate with each of the sp3 hybrid orbitals of carbon atom and form the sigma bond between sp3 and s orbital. In the orbital diagram, there is shown that s orbital of carbon and 3p orbital are intermixing and producing four numbers of sp3 hybrid orbital. These sp3 hybrid orbital are intermixing in such way that the angle between the lobes is 109.5 degree. So there is minimum repulsion between the bond. There is four orbital, so that they are not just square planar shape formed, because there is angle is 90 degree. So there is hybrid orbital feel some repulsion, so they are arranged in tetrahedral geometry और बॉन्ड एंगल हो जाता है 109.5 डिग्री. इसके कारण आपका रिपल्सन मिनिमम हो जाता है. अब इसके बाद जो हाइड्रोजन एटम होते हैं वो अपना एक सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके इस हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल से पेयरिंग करके एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड बनाता है, जो कि आपकी sp3 एंड s सिग्मा बॉन्ड के नाम से जानी जाती है. इनका जो बॉन्ड एंगल होता है 109.5 डिग्री. आज के लिए इतना.